Okay, so today we'll be seeing the past tense. So basically there are past simple, past continuous, past perfect simple, past perfect continuous. Narrative tenses are used to describe past events. They are typically used to tell stories or narration anecdotes. So basically narrative tense বলা হয় past tense কে narrative tense বলা হয় এটা past events এর ব্যাপারে কথা বলে. We use the past simple tense in narrative. So basically completed action in the past events in chronological order, past habits, and past states. For example, the Stone Age lasted from around 2.5 million years to about 5,000 years ago. Early humans deployed the skill of making fire and later discovered how to, I'm going to repeat it. Early humans developed the skill of making fire and later discovered how to create tools from stone. The Stone Age humans lived in caves for shelters and had a primitive and rugged appearance. We use past continuous tense to set the background to a story, describe a scheme or situation that lasted for some time, refer to an ongoing action which was interrupted by another one. Example to the Stone Age tribes were constantly migrating in search of fertile land. We use the past perfect simple tense events that took place before another event in the past. Past states and situations that started earlier in the past. So examples যদি আমরা দেখি, before the invention of wheels, Stone Age societies had already developed basic form of transportation using sledge and animal drawn carts. এখন আসি হচ্ছে past perfect continuous tense. Events that were happening over a long period of time before another event in the past. Example যদি দেখি, before the Stone Age, human ancestors had been steadily refining their ability to create and control fire. So এই ভিডিওটা past tense এর ব্যাপারে এতটুকুই ছিল. আমরা past tense এর কয়েকটি সাব টপিকস দেখেছি. চারটা বেসিক্যালি past simple continuous, past perfect continuous. সো আজকের জন্য এতটুকুই আছে. হোপফুলি আপনাকে নেক্সট লেসনে দেখতে পারবো. থ্যাংক ইউ.